Hey people, what's happening? What's good? Hey, I tell people it's a Jamaican people, them not easy, you know. Watch this.
If the customer service is bad, then the food is good. Let's call this restaurant and find out. This is very important.
A jerk full day at Jamaican jerk. Here we satisfy your taste and nothing goes to waste. Are you ready to place your order?
The pick up there for the food there for halal.
Here again, my God.
Pick up there for the food there for halal. Meat good.
No, we don't do meat. We don't do meat up. We do takeout.
The meat there cooked good for halal. Meat for me for pick up.
Look at this. Everybody I think I saw the Arabian I can't understand you, sir. Do you speak English?
The meat there cooked pick up for me for the cooked good.
Hey, the restaurant is busy and I can't fucking understand you, man. Yo, learn to speak English before you call back, man. Bye-bye. Learn to speak English, man.
The food good, guys. Yeah, but the food good. Once you get that type of customer service, the food is good.
You have to take bad thing, make me laugh. Hold on.
He can't tell everybody this. A Jamaican. Every Jamaican guilty of this. Guilty as amen. Watch her.
One thing I love is a good old Jamaican patty.
What you man always the crumbs?
Hey, hold on, this shit ain't funny. It ain't funny.
Lady put in the bag now. The crumbs have eat after. What you man always the crumbs?
You know what I'm trying my French? IP. Hey, me tell you a story. Me have a friend, you know. When I eat patty, the man get a straw, you know. I use the straw and take out the whole of the meat out of the milk and just left a patty crumbs in and I go and eat it differently, you know. When I see the man do that, this me ask him.
You don't come from planet Earth.
Is a good old Jamaican patty.
What you man always the crumbs? Lady put in the bag now. The crumbs have eat after. What you man always the crumbs?
Come see what you are doing at the kitchen.
Nobody no want hear that. When they hear your parents say, "Let me come in the kitchen, come see what you are doing." You know that go.
Jesus Christ, why the egg that look like it weigh 400 pounds? Why that look so heavy like you have to muscle up to flip it? Deal, how much egg that deal?
Mommy, I 1.5 tray of egg.
Deal, how much egg you use a while ago, deal? Other people living at the house in a deal.
Many things, sir.
One to other people, one to me. When me I go eat, deal, you go eat everything, deal. You fi drop buff and me drop pen, deal. Me tell you now, why you so greedy? Yes, you put up the egg, deal. Jesus Christ, look how much food a little boy. Yo, me can't take this now. Yeah.
Wait, I want this. Blood clot. Mr. Somebody that's sitting there at a rata, right? You don't see them?
Tell her something, my boss. So you mean?
2 meal can never make a baby.
Sure, you sweet more beer, so.
Baby, they must be blood clot crazy. You know, see them all wake up in night, like on the silent pojo boom by sir, the guy get back to greedy eye. Oh, I'm going to make another man eat a rice. And they show to me, I don't get.
Oh, you mean, my general? You mean, propose to that? You mean, poop and cover can't shit? What I'm to them? No, people, tell me. Boy, the two of them look alike still, you know? I have a sister and brother. Hey, boy, Ralph, from the thing you deal with. Man, what you doing?
Oh, you can't say that. We'll cut out that hotel.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this.
Hell no.
Return. Mr. Me have to weak like rat.
Hey! Yo!
Love Topic TV.